Hi Bling Besties, welcome back to my channel. This is part 1 of my patio makeover. I'm here at Home Depot and I purchased these beautiful flowers. Besties, I came to Walmart and there's these outdoor throw pillows, which of course you can use inside. They're fade resistant and water repellent, and they're only $5. And this is why I'm showing it to you, because they're reversible. Look at that. Look at that. Lemon. You guys know I'm obsessed with lemons right now, lemon decor, and it's reversible. So this is the one side, and then the other side says home sweet home. Look at how cool is that, and for only $5. That's awesome. Look at these bowls. Every day is a fresh start from the Dollar Tree. And then they have the matching plate with the dark blue. Look at these for $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. So pretty. They have this bee one with the flowers. They have this wine glass looking one. Hi Bling Besties, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be planting my plants that you see here into those pots right there. This is my first time ever planting anything, so we'll see if I end up having a green thumb or not. But I did some research and I looked up, the best soil or the best mix for potted flowers. And there's a YouTube video that said these 3 things together work great. The comments on that video were great as well, saying that they've done it and their plants are thriving. I got the topsoil from Walmart, and it was, see that big bag? It was only like $2 and some change. I got this from Home Depot. It was $5 and some change. And this one, the peat moss, was $6 and some change. I got these all from the Dollar Tree because I'm barely starting out, so I'm not trying to invest in actual tools. Got that from Ross and those from the Dollar Tree. Those pots are beautiful. I did get them from Home Goods.
For the bird's food.
And my daughter has lipstick on. That's why she kind of looks like a crazy clown. But yeah, I recently got this plant here, which I think is absolutely stunning. Look at this. Look at it. Just so beautiful.
And I picked these 2 plants.
And then on Mother's Day, we went to Lowe's and Tiffany picked that one. And then for Mother's Day, they gave me this free one here. This one's dying on me, as you could tell. But this one was dying and I brought it back to life. So I'm trying to do the same thing with this one. And this is just my little corner here in my home.
They're turning back.
Yeah, they are.
This one is
Yeah.
turning back.
And then that's my wreath. It's fake, it's beautiful. And then you just have Tiffany's little setup here. We just painted these pots the other day. This one's mine that I painted, and then this one's Tiffany's. But yeah, let's get into the video. All right, besties, this is how we finished it off for the day. That plant there ended up not fitting there, so I do have to go to Home Depot to get a plant one of like these to fit in there. I did plant the other 2 plants, the ones from Mother's Day. Bought this one and they gave me this one at Lowe's for free for a Mother's Day gift. I bought these at Didi's, which are really cute. I think they're $2.99. And there's my tourist with a bunch of lipstick, Tiffany. She looks like a tourist. And then that beautiful decor is from Ross. I actually got it on a very great clearance one day. I wasn't looking for anything like that, but I saw it on clearance. It was originally $39.99 and it went down to $8.99. $8.99. Wow. By the way, these pots are from Home Goods. They were each $15. A little bit pricey for that size, but I really thought they were beautiful, and I found them all 3 at the same time, so I thought that was kind of like a sign telling me, because you don't find multiples at stores like Home Goods, TJ Maxx when you really want something. Like, it's really rare, especially for me, to find multiples, let alone I found 3. So yeah, that's a game. Besties, I came to Home Goods and I found this bigger pot for the plant that I told you guys previously that didn't fit in the other pots. And this one was for $24.99 and it matches the same colors as the other pots, so I thought it was perfect. I also came to Didi's discount. I found this really cute plastic lemon pitcher. This I did bring home with me. It was too cute and such a great price to pass up, and I brought one of these home with me because I've been looking for one. It was only $2.99. Are you kidding me? So instead of buying a patio table, patio chairs, patio umbrella, patio stuff, like furniture like that, we decided just to do something with what we already have. We already have two like relaxing chairs that like go all the way back, recline all the way back, I should say. So I'm just looking for stuff to fit around that. And that little table in the beginning is one. Dee Dee's Discounts, check them out if you need some outdoor rugs or outdoor anything really. Yeah, this rug right here is what I brought home for me. Are you kidding me? $12.99. That is such a steal. That is such a steal. They had different sizes and different colors. I liked this black and white one because my chairs are black, and it's also reversible, so you could do more black on one side or you can do more white on the other side. It's just, I thought that was such a great deal, and I'm so happy I came to Dee Dee's Discount before I went to any other store or even bought anything online, because I know for a fact I wouldn't have found anything for this price. $12.99 for an outside rug, $12.99 for for that circle table over there, and I believe that one right there was $6.99. Oh, it's Dee Dee's Discount sometimes really does come through. Hi besties. So this is the next day. We literally just woke up 5 minutes ago. Like, we were so excited to come outside. We're still in our PJs. Except Tiffany wanted to sleep in her clothes from yesterday, which is fine because it's just leggings and a shirt. But this is what the front yard is looking like at the moment. This is what it looks like right here. This is what we have. This is it. I got this yesterday. I got this at Home Goods yesterday. I got this yesterday as well at Dee Dee's. It was only $6.99. That is an amazing price. $6.99 for that is beautiful, and it goes well, as you could see. I got these yesterday as well at Home Goods. They were on sale for $6. This plant here, and these pots that they are in are $15 each at Home Goods. That little pot down there. This one here.
This one is my mom, and that one is mine.
Yeah, this pot was from Walmart for only $4.98, basically $5. No, this pot is from Walmart, and this one's from the Five Below store. It faded a little bit, but that's okay because it was purple. But I like it that it's blue because it matches the other pots. And then these are from Dee Dee's Discount. They were only $2.99 each, and they're so pretty. I'm telling you. Oh, and this is from Ross. I got it on a very great clearance for $8.99 from $39.99. Go to Dee Dee's Discount for any of your garden outdoor, because they do have a good selection. Well, at least at my local stores they do. And they're a lot same items at Ross, but cheaper than Ross. So yeah.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down, yeah, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. I never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason. The reason why I feel like I can fly.
So this is what it looks like, besties, right now. It's not as big as I wanted it to be, but that's okay. It's still gonna work fine. And Tiffany's having so much fun. It is reversible, so the other side is more white than black, but I think I like the black side more just because my chairs are black. So let's put it on and see how it looks. She has lipstick on.
Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down, yeah, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are.
So this is how it's looking like right now. I need to put some weight on that so it can unfold But this is the outdoor carpet. I really like it. And again, it's reversible. I have these two chairs that recline all the way back, so you can literally lay flat, which is really cool. Just pull the chair forward so that can go back. And they also come with trays on the side that you pull out, and then you could just put up like this. There you go, like that. Just super cool. You put your drink there. And then in the middle, Tiffany already moved it a little bit, but I put this here. And then I had it like this. And then this is how it's looking right there. This was a really cool find. It's an outdoor table. So I found it in the garden section because you can put it's for pots, so you put a pot on top. But it's perfect for a small space if you need like a small table. And again, that is from DD's for $12.99.
Look at mine.
And we have Tiffany's here.
This is better.
She's all upset.
And
I was gonna put those flowers that I got from Shein into that vase because they're beautiful hydrangea flowers. They're fake. And then I was gonna put it in there, but I don't know. I might get another little table to put right there and then put the green one right there. I don't know.
Don't put a little table right there.
She's
better right here.
She's already telling me. But one like this, but shorter. Probably like to here. Shorter for sure. To put right there. I don't know. We'll see. Tiffany likes her little spot there.
This is better.
I put this here, guys, so that the rug can hopefully stay down because it needed weight so it doesn't, get flimsy. And like that. See that there? I need to put weight right there too. So I'm going to find something. Okay, besties, we ended up getting some rocks and just putting them on there because I had the grill on there first. But I was like, no, I don't want the grill just to randomly be in the middle right here. So we have rocks laying around, so we just put some rocks. Tiffany put some on this end, even though I didn't need some, but just so cute. But I really like it. I like the outcome. You can even put like a little coffee table instead of that if you wanted to. Yeah, there's a lot of things that you can do, and these are ideas for a small patio. We're still not done. We still have to put a couple things here. I want to do at least 2 pots of, I don't know, either roses or a fountain. Definitely the fountain because I already ordered the fountain thing from the TikTok shop. And in the middle, I want to put my Virgencita in a little house, which I'm waiting for my cuñado to make me the house because he knows how to build those little houses out of wood. And once he's built it, I will show it to you. But this is what it looks like right now. This is like the last part right here because this little section is already done. I absolutely love how it looks. I'm so happy with the results of this. Like, just look at how beautiful it looks. Look, let me zoom you guys out. Ignore all this here because I need to clean it up. But look at how beautiful it looks with the blue pots.
Look at guys, look at mine.
With the pink flowers. And Tiffany wants to show you guys. Oh, that's beautiful.
I picked this cupboard so the other birds can eat this one. One bird can eat this one. And I'm gonna open this one tomorrow.
Yeah. So Tiffany says that she got some of my pea moss and some of the regular dirt that's over there behind me and put it there. And she says that birds are gonna come eat it. Maybe we should get a bird feeder and we can hang it right there.
Yeah.
Up there.
Like right here.
Maybe we can get a bird feeder and hang it somewhere.
Yeah, right here.
Okay. All right, besties. I moved the stuff. That's how it's looking right now. I moved those and I swept underneath. I love this doormat. It says welcome home, and the reason why I love it is because of the flowers around it, the color, that color there, the pink. And what's that color called right there that I'm pointing at? The darker. What is it called? Magenta, fuchsia, no, I can't remember. But yeah, I really like that one. This is my old one. I just kept it for people who just walk through here. This one's from Target. It says good vibes only, which is so true. Don't come to my house if you don't have good vibes. I don't need that here. But I'm sorry y'all, I'm obsessed. I love this so much. I love this little corner right here next to my doorway. I absolutely am obsessed with it. I think the pop of blue with the gold is beautiful together. I love the 3-tier.
I don't like yours.
She's just mad, guys. She's just mad because hers doesn't look like mine. Oh my gosh, you silly girl.
Mine is better for
Okay, yes, honey. Yes, baby girl.
And yours not.
Okay. Nobody's better than nobody else, okay? Nobody. Doesn't matter what you have or what you don't have. Nobody's better than nobody else, okay, baby? Okay, so anyway, after my little rant with Tiffany, because she'd be saying things like her dad, yeah, this is like,
Mama, I want to go
this is my favorite.
sushi today.
I want to go eat sushi today. We just went to go eat sushi last night. Last night we went to a sushi restaurant, our favorite sushi restaurant here in San Diego. If you are in San Diego or coming to San Diego and you love sushi, definitely try Little Sakana in Mira Mesa. It is so delicious. It's all you can eat. And it's not like a buffet where you get up and get it. They bring it all to you. It's really popular, so definitely go. We had to wait 35 to 40 minutes yesterday for our table because it was a Friday night too. But it's super good, so definitely check them out. Tiffany moved my little things over there, and look, it's getting all dirty, so I'm gonna have to move it back because Tiffany's not listening to me. So
Well, it doesn't matter.
yes, it does. Why are you always arguing with me? Why are you always arguing with me? Oh my gosh.
You are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire. Every time we touch, we get set the world on fire. World on fire.
Besties, I'm having such a hard time deciding which one I want to stay with because I'm going to return one of them because I don't need two of them. So I'm going to end up staying with, which one do you guys think? Because I really love the gold and I really love the white. Which one do you guys think? The white is definitely more seen and more known because it's just simply white. And it goes, you know, if you put green around it, it's going to pop out. If you put any color around it, it's going to pop out. Same with this one too, if you put any color. But I don't know, bestie. So which one do you think? Hold on, give me 5 seconds. I have 5 seconds to decide which one I'm going to stay with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see. Besties, I'm going to end up staying with the white one. I'm going to stay with the white one. Besties, this is how I have her. I'm not going to put her outside yet until I get the house that I want her to sit in. But this is how I have my front entrance. Instead of having like a entryway table with home decor, I dedicated it to like a home altar. I have a Bible right there that was my great grandma's, and that statue, my grandma, that statue right there, my grandma just gave it to me today at the family barbecue. Because it used to be her mom's, which is my great grandma, which is Tiffany's great grandma. And she passed away when I was about 8 or something like that. I do remember her clearly, so I really appreciate my grandma giving something that was her mom's to me, which is the Bible, which is super ancient, like super antique, and then also the statue. And then yeah, so I have this little home altar that I absolutely love. I have all this is blessed. I had a priest come and bless my house recently. Let me zoom you guys out. It's, sorry my camera sucks when it zooms out because I need a new camera, but this is how it looks like. And I DIY'd this. This canvas was just all black background, but I added my, you know, a touch of Kimberly, a touch of Bling Besties, which is the bling, and or the sparkle. And of course, yeah, I have those. I'm really proud of my home altar. I really am so proud of my home altar. I absolutely love everything about it. I have the Bible right there. I have St. Jude. I have Jesus, the Virgin Mary, you know, the Sacred Hearts, you know, some stuff in the bottom, some fake candles, my willow tree statues on either side, and, you know, praying hands and a cross. And I also have this here. This my grandma gave to me, by the way. She gave that to me, but I have this here. I need to refill it because I have holy water in there all the time. So when we get home, like Tiffany and I will always do the sign of the cross when we get home. It's the first thing we do. Well, the second thing I should say, because we wash our hands and then we do that.